Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a rooster. A rooster is a farm animal. The next animal is a dog. This is a dog. The next one is a leopard. A leopard is a wild animal. The next one is a hen. This is a hen. A hen is a farm animal. Giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. The next one is a zebra. This is a zebra. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next one is a rhino. This is a rhino. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a panda. This is a panda. The next one is a lion. This is a lion. A tiger. The next animal is elephant. This is elephant. A rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is a duck.